If you're worried about too many grubby hands getting all up in your cornbread business, then these individual sized muffins are the perfect solution. And while they might be mini, they're still full of the maximum flavor you know and love in a traditional cornbread recipe. You'll first want to whisk up your wet and your dry ingredients in 2 separate bowls, so let's start with the dry ingredients. Grab a large bowl and add 1 1/4 cups of cornmeal. If you're gluten-free, make sure you look for one that is made with certified gluten-free corn. Also, the grind is pretty important. Too fine and you'll get more of a cake-like cornbread than one that has a good bite and texture, so be sure to look for a medium grind. 3/4 cup of an all-purpose flour, or a gluten-free 1-to-1 blend if needed. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and be careful to not switch these two up, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk this all together until well combined. Now for the wet ingredients. You'll first want to add 1 cup of milk to a large bowl. If you opt for a dairy-free version, a full-fat oat milk is the best substitute. 1/3 cup of honey, 2 large eggs, and 6 tablespoons of melted and cooled to room temperature butter. You can use unsalted if you don't want too salty of a cornbread, but I prefer to use salted. Whisk this all together until smooth, and then pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Using a spatula, mix this together until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter here. It's okay if there are still a few clumps remaining. Spray a 12-count mini muffin tray liberally with nonstick cooking spray. And then fill each cup up until it's almost all of the way full. Bake the mini muffins in a preheated 350-degree oven for 12 to 14 minutes. You'll know they're done when the tops are rounded, the edges are golden, and a toothpick comes out clean. Store the muffins for up to 2 to 3 days in an airtight container at room temperature. Or serve them up immediately with your favorite soup or chili recipes. And if you need a good one, you have got to check out this Instant Pot Beef Chili right over here. Thanks so much for hanging out. I will see you in the next one. Oh my gosh, that is so good.